What's next, David?
Well, we've got the full gameplay reveal of WildBlue, a nostalgic on-rail shooter inspired by Star Fox 64.
Do a barrel roll! Sorry, couldn't help myself.
That takes me back.
Boomers. Somehow this looks worse than the Nintendo 64 version. How they manage that?
That was your first look at gameplay for WildBlue, which is coming soon to PC.
Now let's check in with Windstorm, the Legend of Khiimori, a horse-riding adventure where you play as a brave courier in 13th century Mongolia.
Why do we Mongolians never stop riding? Some days, I believe I know. I ride to carry out my duty as a courier. Out there, they wait for answers, for aid, for hope. I ride to survive. Gathering, crafting, hunting.
Hunting.
Out here, the cold bites deeper, the silence grows heavier. I ride to remember where I come from, to care for those who carried us here, and to raise new strength. But other days, I ride simply to follow the wind, to hear its songs beyond the horizon. Windstorm, the Legend of Khiimori.
Khiimori.
Windstorm, the Legend of Khiimori, is launching into early access, so quit horsing around and add it to your wish list.
David, we talked about the jokes. All right, base building mech western Bounty Star is up next. Specifically, we've got an update from Dino God about when you can expect to embark on this post-apocalyptic adventure.